Hello dear students. So today we are going to discuss about the some binary file questions. Okay. So generally these types of questions are asking in a board examination. If you are going to look at the previous year question paper, then you come to know what types of the questions are asking related to the binary file. Okay. Suppose there is a file which name is the telephone.dat and file is having the record structure ID, customer ID, name and their mobile number. Now you have to write a program. The program is going to read the binary file and it will display those name or those records. It will display those records, okay, which contains 98 in their mobile number anywhere. मीन्स उसके मोबाइल नंबर में कहीं भी 98 आ रहा हो तो ऐसा प्रोग्राम आपको बनाना है. अब क्योंकि ये बाइनरी फाइल का है तो जनरली इस केस में क्या है, ये प्रोग्राम के जगह पे आपको समटाइम दे कैन आस्क यू कि राइट अ functions. So first I am going to write the program. Then I am going to convert in a function so that you can easily understand how the program can be converted in a function. Suppose you have to open the program. First you require to be import the pickle module. So pickle. Then you are going to be open the file f_obj equal to open, and then I am writing here binary file name is given telephone.dat. Okay, and now the file can be opened in a read binary mode. Fine. Now we have to read the record, and it's not given the record is stored as a dictionary or a structure, so you can assume it is list, you can assume it is a dictionary, doesn't matter here. So I'm just creating the one empty record on while found equal to false. Okay, and then while try, and inside the try I'm writing here while true. Fine. And now I'm asking to read the record. So record will be read by load with the help of the load functions. So you have to write here pickle.load, and now load is required a one argument, that is the file handler. So this is my record. Now what I have to check? I have to check the records contain 98 in their mobile number or not. So I assume that okay, this is a dictionary. Then how I will write the question? And if record, okay, or you can write here 98 in REC and then mobile number. Okay, if record is a dictionary, then if record is not dictionary, then what we will write? If 98 in record 2. Okay, so in both way you can write, either if it is dictionary then write the command in this way, and if it is a list then write the command in a this way. Okay, and if it is, then you can print, and I'll just printing CID, okay, comma record name, fine, comma record mobile number. Fine. And what I have to do, I have to write here found true. Okay, now there is a exceptions might be generated. So what I will write here, except EOF error. And if you forget, suppose you are not able to remember the what types of the error is going to be thrown by the load module, so you write only accept, doesn't mean accept, and then f_obj dot close, and then if found means if found, yeah, you can write if found equal to true, it means, and you just show record search found records. Okay, and else not found any record. ठीक है. तो दिस वे यू कैन राइट द प्रोग्राम. दिस इज द वे ऑफ राइटिंग द प्रोग्राम. अच्छा, अब इसी क्वेश्चंस में अगर मान लो एक चेंजेज आ जाए कि इट आस्क यू कि डिस्प्ले द नंबर ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स ऑल्सो कि हाउ मेनी रिकॉर्ड्स आर कंटेनिंग 98 in their mobile number. So in this case what you will do, you have to write here count equal to 0. Okay, and here you have to write count plus equal to 1, means increase the counter by this. And now in this message you can write print count records found. Done. So there's three changes are there. One, initially I created the one variable count which value is 0, and then I increasing the value of count by 1, and then I am checking, I am printing the value of count inside if record is founded here. Okay, so this way. Now if you have to convert in a function, this whole program is you supposed to be convert in a function. So what you have to do? Nothing you have to do, just do the indentation and write one statement, def read, or whatever the name suggested by the program, read telephone and anything, or search telephone, whatever the name they suggest, you can write like this way. Done. So this is a program, this is a very important program in a board examination. Generally this types of the questions are really asking. Okay, so just try to practice such types of the questions at your home. Okay, thank you, bye bye, take care.